So, my name is Jason Sansucci. I am also the co-founder and program director of Neurodiversity Works. So we're a 501c3 nonprofit, and our mission, so our son is profoundly autistic. I am also autistic. And we decided, I've been doing this for such a long time, my wife is a massive advocate, it is a family business, and we saw the real need for workforce development in that community, which is highly under or unemployed. I'm talking like 80-85%. It's not the best. However, the drone industry and analytics and cybersecurity and AI provide a unique opportunity because these industries are still evolving. They're still coming up, and a lot of them have pretty low barriers to entry, but they're high interest areas for our students. So what we do is we provide camps, workshops, apprenticeships, learning systems, mentorship, coaching, job placement, whatever they need. We want to support them and surround them with supports that allow our students to be successful. So we've been doing this for about 5 years. This is our 6th year doing this, and it's been pretty successful, so much so that we've now taken our learning program and we've opened it up to everyone. So we've actually won some awards, which is like, so we're very proud of Neurodiversity Works. It is our family business. It is a nonprofit that's very close to our heart. The community is very close, and we believe that it'll make the overall drone industry and analytics industry better because different can be better.